Alright, what's poppin', everybody? So today I'm gonna do the easiest stencil you can make, one of the easiest ones. So what you're gonna need is, if you have a crayon, marker, acrylic, either one is definitely fine. You don't have to use spray paint or markers like how I do. There's always substitutions. So I have a black Sharpie, paint marker, oil ones, not the regular ones, because you want them to bleed through to the grip tape. A blue Sharpie and a red one, and then just a white piece of paper. It has Cheeto Man, but we're not gonna do Cheeto Man. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna do plank. I don't know if you guys ever watched the show Ed and Eddie. This is gonna be your boy Plank. I don't know if you guys could see him through the camera, but I'm pretty sure you guys could. I'll even do a picture right here. Whoop. Yeah, so we're gonna do plank, super easy. I'm gonna show you guys. So what you're gonna need, obviously, one blink of grip tape, which we have here. We have our paper, and we are going to go ahead and cut that out to a rectangle square. So thank God for this tripod, makes life way easier. Alright, it's a little windy, but it's all good. Alright, so plank is pretty much like a rectangle, so I'm gonna go ahead, you could sketch it out. I already know how he's kind of looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my little blade here, and see how I'm not doing straight lines, because Plank here, he is pretty much his little wood block. I do a little dip for him, cut that out, and I just go all the way down. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Go right here, squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Maybe a little dent. And boom. Alright, so now that I cut them up, it's windy. Alright, go ahead and take everything out. If it doesn't come out, I just cut it again. Alright, now that I cut my base of plank, I did a little square, nothing complicated, super easy. The sun should flatten this grip tape out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and line this plank up, line them up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the access paper for the corners right here. Alright, so now I have everything blocked off, no oversprays. Plank, super easy. I winged it. Yellow spray can. You could use a yellow acrylic, a yellow paintbrush, like anything besides spray cans, if it makes it easier. As long as it's yellow, obviously, for plank. We're gonna go ahead and baby spray it. Baby spray that, corners, and we're good. Let's go ahead and take everything out. Voila, he's alive. All right, now we're gonna go get our markers and do the detail work. Alright, now that you have plank, 3 markers here, we're going to go ahead and use the black for the outline. So, just pretty much just trace it, doesn't have to be perfect. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're done. So the homie playing from Ed and any super easy stencil. This is how I started off. Literally, you don't need a spray can to do the yellow. You can use yellow brush. If you can't, if you have a house, apartment, whatever it is, if they don't let you spray paint, then yeah, you can use acrylic paint, markers to color them in, but super easy. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this, whoever wants it. I'll do a free giveaway. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. It's on. What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy, Skyfly. It's my birthday. If you guys have seen this, 27. They gave me, my lady surprised me with a Pokemon theme. I love Pokemon. As a kid, wanted to be a Pokemon trainer, which I succeeded in my lifetime. I caught every Pokemon by every game. Just messing with you, but yeah, today's my birthday. We'll see what shenanigans we get into. Just ate some breakfast. It was delicious. It was in downtown Riverside, called 3 Little Onions or Green Little Onions. I'm full. I'm gonna go pick up my car, get ready for the art walk today, and see what's popping. Hey, my baby decorated everything for me. Hey, let's go. Yeah, Pokemon theme.
Choose your starter.
I choose Charmander. I like all of them. They're all cool. Yeah, I thought this was super dope. That's super cool. Pokemon. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna pick up my car.
You like it?
I love it. Thank you, baby. I love you.
Love you.
Alright, guys. We're at the art walk. I'm dressed up as a Red Hood. You got Catwoman. Give me your best meow. Alright. Ace of Hearts, right?
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts. Hey, we're here. DC, Alice Wonderland, Red Hood. Super excited. It's gonna be a great day. It's hot already. I'm sweating. We're gonna see what's out here, but we're gonna see. I got my booth over here. We're separated today. But we got everything ready. We got your Pokemon, tricks, Gansito, Scream, all handmade, ready to go. I don't have much. I usually just put everything down. Makes it easier for me. But yeah, we're gonna see what's poppin', who visits me today. Let's get it. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys all the cool things they have too. Let's go look. Everybody's setting up, but we got all the cool artwork, all handmade. Super beautiful. That's me setting this up, pumpkin style. I got like a Mexican theme, conchas, prints, rings. There he is. Hey, chilling or?
Yeah, man.
That's
Good stuff, huh? Nice.
Yeah, might as well. We're only here one time. Thank you. The vendor buddy, we're here. Good time. We got more stuff. Cool. More artwork. I think this we were like 2 weeks ago. And then more stuff here too. There you go.
I'm like ready.
No, I am. It's nice. Cool. No. This one's trip. That's dope. We got more stuff. Jason jewelry, that's cute. Yeah, so it's a lot of cool stuff. Everybody's setting up. Once the time passes 5:30, that's when they let people that didn't sign up in. Makes it easier for everybody. So if you want a spot, that's dope.
You said that.
Cool. We're here. A lot of cool things. A lot of Halloween. Hello.
Oh, really?
This is cool. Hello. figurines, more artwork. That's cool. Yeah, so everybody makes their own stuff. Setting up, usually they have a live band. We're gonna see everything come alive, which I'm super excited for. It's gonna be dope. So, got a sexy cat woman here. Eee, love her. Alright, we got Vilma. Vilma's over there, she dressed up. More people dressed up. I like it. Got Vilma. I think I saw some other people too, but I'll record them. Where's Scooby? The homies came.
Yeah,
Let me see the board. Let me see the board. Hey, there you go. Let me see the boards. Hey, fire, fire, fire. You guys chilling or what?
Yeah.
That's alright. You guys walked over here? Skated over here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let me hook you guys up. Sticker for you. I think you have a bunch already.
Yeah.
There you go. Gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, yeah. They came through.
Oh.
Look at the cute little doggy. It's dressed up. Alright, the art walk. It's cracking. Gonna move over. They have the band playing in the background. I love the band. The band's super dope. Let me come back real quick. You got Catwoman over here. Alright. Hey, my boy Eric, what you got? Give me a special balloon and a present. Damn. Heck yeah. Thank you, my boy. Thank you. Good love. Alright, let me see what Eric got me. Okay. Hey, I do need these. I do need these. Card, I love you card. Hell yeah. Honestly, I'm hungry too. You're trying to give me the runs after this? Let's go. Alright, depends what he got me. Let's go, burrito. Alright, I got both Erics here. Eric number 1. Who's original Eric? Who's older first? Wait, who's older?
I don't know.
We don't know, but yeah, we got both Erics. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Red Hood here, DC. Thank you, Eric. My boy Eric came through, helped me out. Thank you for everybody that wished me birthday wishes. Appreciate y'all. Peace.